In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Hubspot with Manychat. This integration can be incredibly beneficial if you're looking to streamline your marketing efforts and enhance your customer relationship management. We'll walk through each step carefully so that you can easily follow along and have everything set up in no time. To get started, you'll first want to make your way to your Hubspot account. Once you're logged in, look to the settings option characterized by a gear icon, navigate over there to open up your settings menu. Now, you should see a menu on the left-hand side. What you're looking for is the section labeled Integrations. Go ahead and click on it, and then select Connected Apps from the drop-down menu that appears. This is where Hubspot allows you to manage all your connected applications, a powerful feature that lets you unify your tools and data seamlessly. The next step is to head over to what's called the App Marketplace. Simply click on Visit App Marketplace, and you'll be directed to the platform where all the apps and integrations that Hubspot offers are housed. Now, with a plethora of options at your disposal, search for Manychat by entering it into the search bar. Once you've located the Manychat app, it's time to connect it with your Hubspot account. Look for the Connect App button and click on it. This is the gateway to synchronizing the two platforms. You'll now need to log into your Manychat account. It's important that you're logged into the correct Manychat account that you wish to connect with Hubspot. Following your login, you'll see an authorization prompt. By authorizing Hubspot access to your Manychat account, you're granting it permission to integrate and sync data between the two platforms. So make sure to authorize Hubspot to proceed with the integration. With the connection now established, you have the exciting opportunity to choose what kind of data you'd like to sync between Manychat and Hubspot. For instance, you could synchronize new subscribers in Manychat so they automatically become new contacts in Hubspot. This can be a pivotal step in automating your customer data collection and marketing strategies. Finally, with everything configured to your liking, click on Finish Setup. This action will complete the integration process, ensuring that your Manychat account is now fully linked with Hubspot. And there you have it. You've successfully linked Hubspot with Manychat, opening up a new world of integrated marketing opportunities. By merging the strengths of these two platforms, managing your customer interactions and campaigns becomes far more efficient and effective. Thank you for watching and happy integrating.